Hello, my friend, back so soon again. It seems to me that you like our company. You play again, and it's usually me to be the first disturbing being that you see. They tore me apart. They used me for parts. They took away my face. They took away my arm. No, it just isn't fair. The chicken and the bear. Even the fox didn't go through what I had to bear. My replacement is blue. It's got the latest tattoo. All I have's my guitar. Let me play a song for you. Now with red glowing eyes, I'll be your demise. As my endoskeleton descends. My name's Bunny. I'm the big purple bunny. I play guitar in a band. Don't you forget who I am. My replacement is blue. It's got the latest tattoo. It's shiny and brand new. Bunny, I play guitar and bunny. Now with red glowing eyes, I'll be your demise. As my endoskeleton decides. They tore me apart. They used me for parts. They took away my face. They took away my arm. No, it just isn't fair. The chicken and the bear. Even the fox didn't go through what I had to bear. My replacement is blue. It's got the latest tattoo. All I have's my guitar. Let me play a song for you.
Welcome to your first night in the place where the nature is hot and the fun brings fun. Now your sorrows in the local news will make it hard pursuit. It's was the job for you, all you do. 12 a.m. and the break of dawn as I start to on when you power on. You got your cameras and your flashlight, what more is that I need? Just be quick, just be ready, cause the British just be very, very where is the night goes on. Maybe there at the beginning, but not for long. A pre-recorded message to keep you alive. Cause I'm the phone guy, I'm here to take care of the film. Once the time is near, I will not be here. Yeah, I'm the phone guy, raise big beers are all the rules. There's not a lot of time before I trust you to survive. I'm the phone guy, sit top, watch the hours on the clock. Time has a reason to be careful of the decisions you make. I am the phone guy. Yes, I am the phone guy. Now the first I was fine with it and things up. Warning for the future of a hand sorted. Now you see the vertical is open. Keep an eye on this guy and you'll be prepared. Now the rest of the bunch, well, I'm not too sure. Because the next thing you know, they're outside your door. So don't forget my simple map. I don't use you like the border. Take your body and you leave you to die. Be very, very wary that the battery's drained. So preserve your only tools and your life remains. Keep the light shining bright for the final love. Cause I'm the phone guy, I'm here to take care of your bill. Once the time is here, I will not be here. Yeah, I'm the phone guy, raise big beers are all the rules. There's not a lot of time before I trust you to survive. I'm the phone guy, tick tock, watch the hours on the clock. Time has a reason to be careful of the decisions you make. I am the phone guy. Yes, I am the phone guy.
Hey there, dude. Glad you're back. Last security guard just couldn't pick up the slack. So now you're the new guy picking up the job. So just please understand, this nightmare never stops. So we build it off the scratch, taking the crap, taking the stuff to word for word. Because we all know the broker stuff just makes you go berserk to act special. The tension is subtraction. Check the fence for your protection from the broker down hallucination. In the past, you said the stuff you really suit. You know the cover story sounds kind of cute. Just remember now that everything's gonna be fine. Because you got the thoughts of all in your mind. Now before I leave, I just recall that we found a toy. A freaking robot with wings, oh what a joy. So I'll pass you a recording of the original voice. See, he'll never leave the beat, so just listen. You don't have a choice.
Take what you have learned and become a master.
On the clock and we're never gonna talk.
See when I'm not around.
There's not a lot of time before I trust you to survive. Tick tock, watch the hours on the clock. So listen to be careful of the decisions you make. I am the phone guy. 'Cause I am the phone guy.
Hey, thanks for watching this music video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked what you saw, click the subscribe button for more awesomeness from the channel. Also, please go subscribe to Chloe, aka Comic Lover Girl, who sang in this song, Chris, aka Christopher Brown 1988, for providing his rapping skills, and Zombie Wars SMT for providing the gameplay footage for the video. Also, if you're feeling generous, why not buy the trilogy on iTunes? All the songs by your request are made available strictly on iTunes for everyone. Thanks again, you awesome people. See you all in the next video. Peace out!